Hello and welcome to another episode of The Picky Swede. I have been busy building some challenge locks, that's why the videos hasn't been pumping out as they used to, but this one is done and it's going overseas to the US, and this one is very near completion and it's going to a fellow here in Sweden. But today, just to make some video, I got this small ALA padlock from Italy. My brother-in-law donated to me, and a pretty basic cheap padlock. Only has one notch here in the shackle for locking, and how many pins is that? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. 4 pins, sorry. Just a normal 4-pin padlock. I lubed it up with some PTFE lubricant, and now it operates smooth. So, can we pick it? Yeah, I think we can. But to keep our tradition alive, it says it isn't hardened. Shall we see if this Italian padlock surprises us? Nope. But at least it's truthful to the finish of the shackle. So let's bring our vise. Let's put our lock up in our vise, and I think we have a good view here, don't you think? Got my new small camera tripod here, so first time shooting with it, and we'll see how this goes. We got a bottom of keyway tension, and I will try to keep my hands out of frame here, and I'll be using a slightly modified hook here. It has been modified to be thinner and smoother than the original finish. So put on some tension, and I think we will work our way from the back here. And I cannot feel any security pins in this lock, so no. It was just 4, 3, 2, 1 to pick this one. Just touch them and they set, and it's not so extreme beating. It's just a high, medium, so I wasn't expecting anything special either. But an open is an open. And that, my friend, is this ALA padlock made in Italy. Really small one, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is The Picky Swede.